Hello, my name is Eddy Yeretnov, and this is a Crow short-term memory digit span test being performed for the CIS 118 class at Kenyatta College. So before we get into this test, I'd like to take a minute to shortly, explain the basic concept of Crow, magic number, memory span, and really concepts. So Crow itself really comes from the idea that people have a limited short-term memory. This isn't actually exclusively in people. The idea of the crow comes from experiments performed on crows where they could only remember so they could remember one person, two people, three people, and then all they could remember after that was many. And that concept actually also applies to humans. In George Miller's 1956 article titled "The Magic Number 7 plus or minus 2, he deduced that most people can remember up to seven plus or minus 2 things at once. So that'd be 5 to 9 things at once. This experiment seeks to, repeat the results that Miller achieved and prove this concept to be true. After we have proven this concept to be true, we can then look into how we can overcome the crow. Using the idea of concept. Concept formation is really key to overcoming crow. Concept formation requires, volition. Volition is, the deliberate action of forming these concepts. You actually have to make connections between things, and you have to do this deliberately. Once these connections are made, someone can think, on a higher level because they can overcome the limits of crow by remembering multiple things as one. So, now that we've gone over that quick intro of crow, let's get into the experiment with my lovely sister, who will be joining me, as a lab assistant, partner, whatever we can call it. So now we are going to begin the test with my sister Sarah. She is going to respond to the numbers I give her, and from there we can determine her magic crow number. Let's begin. So 1. 6, 5.
6, 5.
1, 3, 3.
1, 3, 3.
3, 7, 0, 6.
3, 7, 0, 6.
6, 6, 9, 2, 2.
6, 6, 9, 2, 2.
5, 4, 2, 6, 5, 0.
5, 4, 2, 6, 5, 0.
4, 3, 5, 8, 9, 6, 5.
4, 3, 5, 8, 9, 6, 5.
5, 8, 6, 4, 9, 9, 2, 1.
4, 5, 6, 8, 9,
Nope,
9, 2.
that is wrong. You have concluded your crow test. So after that little tally, we have found that Sarah received the magic number of 8. Her magic number of 8 indicates that she does a little bit above, that 7 threshold, but she fits within the 7 plus or minus 2, which is great. It validates, George Miller's view that most people fall under this certain, range. Now Sarah will be testing me. Let's see, maybe I don't even fall within that range.
3.
3.
4, 5.
4, 5.
8, 7, 6.
8, 7, 6.
3, 7, 4, 9.
3, 7, 4, 9.
7, 5, 9, 3, 0.
7, 5, 9, 3, 0.
8. Sorry, I messed up. 3, 8, 4, 9, 4, 0.
3, 8, 4, 9, 4, 0.
6, 5, 8, 4, 9, 5, 8.
6, 5, 8, 4, 9, 5, 8.
4, 8, 4, 5, 0, 6, 8, 0.
4, 8, 4, 5, 0, 6, 8, 0.
6, 7, 8, 0, 9, 3, 6, 5, 2.
6, 0, 7, 3, 9,
Nope,
5.
you messed up.
All right, that was great. Let's review those results and we can get my results in too. So after a quick overview of my results, I landed at the same spot as Sarah, achieving a crow number of 8. I barely got it on that 8th one. I did not feel as confident as I did on the previous ones, but I was able to get everything correct. And then by 9, I messed up. So that proves that we fall within, the George Miller range, and it exemplifies, a basic definition of short-term memory via Crow. So now that we understand how fragile our short-term memory is, I think it becomes more important to think about, concepts. Concepts allow us to overcome these natural limits that we have within our memory. When we combine multiple ideas into one, through similar characteristics, we can grow as people. The concepts begin with first level abstractions, like you see different types of cats and you create a cat, but then you can move on to deeper abstractions, creating the branch of animals from dogs, cats, humans, and others, and we all align under that common tent of animals, and even that goes deeper, aligning in a common tent of life. So the idea behind concepts is it will allow us to store more with our limited memory. For me, that memory really is 8 things at once. For many others, it falls very closely within that range. The standard, that's 9, 9 is the maximum, and then 5 is the minimum. People fall within this range. We remember in a very similar way, and that is why concepts are so important to really be able to make complicated thought as humans. Well, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching through this video. I hope this video helped you better understand the concept of Crow. It's a little bit difficult at first to understand, but once you get through it and you make that connection, you can see that Crow is something that's very simple and can add a lot to us if we really understand the faults within our brain.